here in Casa Tuna. So it's a 2-bedroom house with first a large terrace we have for lounge. There is a barbecue if you want, and we have an outside shower over here. What's good here is we have the beach of about 60 meters from us, PLAYA Coco, and we are in the closed community, gated and guarded 24/7, so very safe area. Our terrace, you see the small sofa over there. We get in the house and we have dining table, small sofa, a TV on the screen. TV is new, that's the plastic on still. Ceiling fans. So 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 toilet extra. We get here in the main room, of course, with AC, ceiling fans. It's bright and it's clean. I see the bed is very large, so you will feel good inside. Probably missing space for closets to put your stuff, but a large bathroom. See, the shower is very large. We go now to see the second bedroom. So here we have our living room, you see. I listen the wave, guys, from where I am. So really, yeah, 60 meters from the beach. It's incredible here. I think you have no other place like this to compare for rent in San Juan del Sur. So here it's a kids' room. They have installed 1 bunk bed and 1 single bed. And yeah, so you have the toilets over there, large toilet also, with shower, ceiling fans and AC, of course. And there is also our guest toilet, so 2.5 bathroom. It's amazing for a small unit like this. It's very bright and clean. I have something to say. And we will go to see the kitchen over here. Simple also, but with everything. Blenders, coffee machine, rice cookers is the standards. Small fridge, oven here. You have the microwave, the cabinets there. So probably missing some other cabinets to put your clothes, but for the rest, this house is perfect. And we are really few meters from the beach, so what's amazing is this. I show you from the windows, but the water is over there, just behind this house, so the convenience of this place is the location is amazing. See, caretakers live there on the property, so you have like really a safe area. And here over there is going to be like a social area, so you can use it. You have another terrace just on the beach. We're going to get closer now. So just to show you what we have here is PLAYA Coco, one of the nicest beaches you have around Nicaragua. White sand, some wave if you are beginner surfer, but it's more a family beach. You have 1 restaurant, probably 150 meters or 200 meters from where we are on the beach with swimming pool. So you have at least something if you forgot your grocery. There is also like 2 grocery stores here, one behind the house, very small, and one bigger of about like 200 meters from here also. So here is our social area. You have hammocks and bench, bigger table, so you will use this space a lot because it's amazing, under trees on the beach. What could you ask more?